Hello, everyone. So, the Wason selection task is difficult for a lot of people, but I can rephrase it to describe a real world scenario and you'll understand it better. Same scenario as before. There are 4 cards, but this time, each card represents a person. On one side is a drink that person is drinking, and the other side is their age. The cards say beer, water, 25, and 15. And the rule is, if a person is drinking alcohol and they are at least 21 years old, which cards must you turn over to determine whether or not the rule has been followed? This is very easy. You have to turn over the beer card to make sure the person drinking it is old enough. We don't have to turn over the water card because it doesn't matter how old the person drinking it is. We don't have to turn the 25 card over because it doesn't matter what that person is drinking. And we do to turn over the 15 card to make sure this person is not drinking alcohol. This is the exact same problem that I demonstrated in part 1. 2 options for one side of the card and 2 options for the other side of the card. But in the second case, it's easier to solve because it follows a real world scenario. It uses a rule that many of us are familiar with. Just because a person is at least 21 does not necessarily mean that they're drinking alcohol. But in the first one, the rules seem a bit arbitrary, a bit abstract, and maybe that's why the connections are hard to see. The takeaway is this. Just because an if-then statement is true does not necessarily mean that the reverse of it is true. Bye.